I would like to demonstrate a step-by-step arthroscopic assessment of the anterolateral ligament of the knee using anatomical landmarks. With the patient supine and viewing through a high anterolateral portal, various forces are applied to open and examine the lateral compartment. With placing the limb in the figure 4 position, the lateral compartment is opened more. Two landmarks are identified between the lateral femoral condyle and lateral border of the lateral meniscus. The popliteus tendon in the hiatus and a synovial bulge located anterior to it and anterior to the periarea of the lateral meniscus. The synovial bulge is a synovial sleeve around the meniscal attachment of the ALL. The scope is then gently proceeded toward the lateral gutter. The popliteus tendon is taken as a guide to the lateral gutter. Internal rotation of the TB helps to identify the ALL. Through the standard anteromedial portal, the proximal part of the ALL can be assessed. ALL tightens with tibial internal rotation. Pushing the ALL laterally will reveal the lateral collateral ligament. The lateral three structures, popliteus tendon, ALL, and LCL, lie in different planes and their fibers run in different directions, so they can be easily identified from each other. By using a needle and trans illumination, a direct portal can be developed. ALL can be assessed through this portal. The lateral meniscus is elevated with a probe, and the scope is then proceeded gently under the lateral meniscus till the popliteus tendon is identified in the hiatus. The capsule and reinforcing ALL can be assessed anterior to the popliteus tendon. The lateral recess can be inspected. The capsule and the reinforcing ALL tightens with tibial internal rotation. In another patient, after opening the lateral compartment and after identification of the popliteus tendon, the triangular image described by Alito can be reproduced between the lateral meniscus, popliteus tendon, and the anterolateral ligament. The anterolateral ligament can be identified by pulling on the periarea of the lateral meniscus. ALL tightens with tibial internal rotation. Pushing the ALL will reveal the lateral collateral ligament and popliteus tendon.